want to do that? You want everybody to do that? You sing it?
Sorry, honey. Sorry, honey.
No. I'd like everybody to stay.
Welcome to Memphis. Thank you all so much for coming another year. God is good, and we are here again amongst friends who have now become family. The Elvis family is what we are. So we welcome you to the 23rd annual Images of the King contest. And we're going to say a big thank you to everybody. And we just want to remind you, tomorrow is the Michael Hoover fan luncheon at Marlowe's at 12:30. That's Wednesday. Everybody coming? Yes! Woo! And we have a bus tour. Those of you who signed up for the bus tour need to get with me. Now, I filled it up pretty quickly, and I took a waiting list. So you need to get with me to see if you are definitely on the bus and to pay me your money. The bus will leave here at 10 o'clock Thursday morning. It's going to be a rock and roll bus. Got some fun singers and everything. Okay, so I just told Michael that he was going to sing the national anthem, and he said, I know. And I said, of course, he's a singer. That's what he does. Okay, so without further ado.
He left the building.
He left the building. Michael Hoover, you want to sing a song?
Oh, she can do it anyway. Mr. Michael, you can sing it, Miss Bobbie. You sing it, Miss Bobbie.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of my very, very, very favorite, of course I'm a little partial, entertainers in the whole world is closest to my heart. Your 1988 champion, Mr. Michael Hoover. The
Don't say nothing. I want to tell you about some special guests that we have. This week that you forgot about. We have, and this includes me, we have a room full of pretenders. Okay? So, but we have this week 2 genuine articles coming out to visit us. Mr. DJ Fontana. He'll be here tomorrow night, and Mr. Ronnie Dove. Ronnie Dove married, well, not Ronnie Dove, no, this DJ married Karen. Ronnie Dove married somebody else. But we've known Ronnie for about 10, 15 years, done solo shows with him. He's the sweetest guy in show business. And I just went back because I wrote down a list of all of his accomplishments and I can't find it. But yeah, he's been on American Bandstand, Ed Sullivan, Shindig, if anyone remembers that show. Mike Douglas, Joey Bishop.
You're fine.
He's done it all. He's had a fantastic career. And he knew Elvis. Elvis gave him some suggestions for a couple of his records. And a couple of them was that, you know, Ronnie Dove has that big falsetto in some of his songs. And that was Elvis's idea. Okay, so what am I doing?
Ladies and gentlemen, if you will rise while Mr. Michael Hoover sings the national anthem. Everybody can join in.
Please, because I don't find all the words. I didn't know I was going to sing this until about 5 minutes ago. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave? get started, we're going to bring out your favorite ETA MC, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause for Mr. Ronnie Craig to get things started.